Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to satisfy your sweet cravings with a delightful homemade donut recipe. These donuts are fluffy, delicious, and incredibly easy to make. So, let's dive right into it. First, let's go over the ingredients you'll need for these delectable donuts. You might already have most of them in your kitchen. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 2/3 cup of milk. 2 large eggs. 2 tablespoons of melted butter. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, in a large mixing bowl, combine the all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, baking powder, and salt. Give it a good whisk to make sure everything is well mixed. Next, we'll add the wet ingredients. Pour in the milk, followed by the eggs, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Mix until the dough is smooth and everything is well incorporated. Once the dough is ready, lightly flour your surface and roll out the dough to about 1/2 inch thickness. Now, using a donut cutter or a glass and a smaller round cutter, cut out your donuts. Remember to save the donut holes. We don't want any dough to go to waste. Time to get that oil heated up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Carefully place your donuts in the hot oil and let them cook for about 1–2 minutes on each side, or until they're golden brown. While the donuts are cooling, it's time to make our glaze. You can go for a classic sugar glaze, a chocolate glaze, or even a fun and colorful glaze with sprinkles. Today, I'm making a simple vanilla glaze. Dip your cooled donuts into the glaze, allowing any excess to drip off, and then feel free to get creative with your toppings. Sprinkles, crushed nuts, or even some mini chocolate chips, the choice is yours. And now, the best part, the taste test. These donuts are incredibly soft and delicious. The glaze adds the perfect touch of sweetness. Trust me, your friends and family will be amazed when they taste these. Thank you for joining us today as we make these mouth-watering homemade donuts. They're perfect for breakfast, a snack, or any time you're craving something sweet. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more delightful recipes. And as always, happy cooking!